Logarithmic differentiation is a fairly simple way to find the derivative of certain functions using natural logs. There are certain steps to do this, which are first, taking the natural log of both sides of the equation, then using the properties of logarithms to simplify the x side of the equation, differentiating both sides of the equation, and finally solving for y prime. So I'm going to show this to you for this equation. I'm going to find the derivative of f of x is equal to x plus 1 quantity squared times 2x squared minus 3 all over the square root of x squared plus 1. So first thing I'm going to do is take the natural log of both sides. So the natural log of y is equal to the natural log of, and it's just going to be this whole side of the equation. So the natural log of that, in fact I'll put it in brackets. Okay, now the next step will be to use log rules to simplify this side where it's easier to take the derivatives. So do that would be natural log of y is equal to, first I'm going to simplify this first part, which is x plus 1 quantity squared. That could change to 2 times the natural log of x plus 1. And then I'm going to add the next term since it's multiplied, times the natural log of 2x squared minus 3, minus, because the next term is divided, minus 1/2 x squared, 1/2 natural log of x squared plus 1. Okay. Now that I've simplified the x side using my log rules, I could differentiate now. I'm going to take the derivative of both sides. So, the derivative of the natural log of y would be y prime over y is equal to, okay, so the derivative of this first part, 2 natural log of x plus 1, turns out being 2 divided by x plus 1. And then plus the next part, the derivative of the next part, which would be 4x divided by 2x squared plus 3. Okay. Oh, minus 3. Sorry about that. Okay. And then I'm going to take the derivative of the next part, which would be minus x over x squared plus 1. Okay. Now that I have differentiated both sides, I'm just going to solve for y prime to finish this off. And to do that, I'm just going to have to multiply this whole side right here by y. So I'm going to rewrite this. So y prime is equal to y times this whole side over here. It's y times that. But that's actually not the end. To finish this off, I have to replug in this y right here with the original equation. So the final answer would look like y prime is equal to this over here, x plus 1 quantity squared times 2x squared minus 3 over x squared plus 1 to the 1/2 all times this right here all times 2 divided by x plus 1 plus 4x over 2x squared minus 3 minus x over x squared plus 1. And that is it.